Go home happy with the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels. Enjoy the journey in the capable and comfortable Equinox. Drive it today.